Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the charming world of small houses. Whether you're looking for design inspiration or practical tips for maximizing space, you're in the right place. This charming small house combines cozy cottage aesthetics with modern functionality. Featuring a warm exterior and a welcoming front porch, the interior boasts an open-concept layout that includes a compact yet stylish kitchen, a comfortable living area, and a snug bedroom. Large windows flood the space with natural light, while clever storage solutions maximize every inch. Perfect for those seeking a simpler lifestyle, this home beautifully balances comfort and practicality, making it an ideal retreat for individuals or small families. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing videos. Let's get started. In small house designs, porches can be compact yet functional. Features like built-in seating, decorative railings, and overhead coverings can enhance usability while adding character. Additionally, incorporating plants and outdoor decor can create a pleasant atmosphere that complements the home's exterior. This space not only increases curb appeal, but also provides an additional area for outdoor living without the need for a large yard. Backyards offer a private outdoor retreat, making them ideal for relaxation, gardening, and recreation. In small house designs, even modest backyards can be transformed into functional and enjoyable spaces. Creative landscaping, such as vertical gardens, raised beds, and patio areas, can maximize the use of available space. Key features that enhance small backyards include fire pits, outdoor seating, and dining areas. These elements encourage outdoor gatherings and provide a space for family activities. Additionally, incorporating greenery, such as trees and shrubs, can create a sense of privacy and tranquility. Small house designs are increasingly popular for their ability to maximize space efficiency while maintaining both functionality and aesthetic appeal. One key feature of these designs is the use of open floor plans, which combine living, dining, and kitchen areas into a single cohesive space. This approach not only creates a sense of spaciousness, but also facilitates social interaction and movement throughout the home. Another important aspect is the incorporation of multifunctional furniture. Pieces that serve multiple purposes, like sofa beds, foldable tables, and storage ottomans, help to optimize limited space. Additionally, effective use of vertical space, such as tall shelving units and wall-mounted storage, keeps the floor area clear, making the home feel more open and organized. Outdoor living spaces are also a significant element in many small house designs. By extending living areas outdoors with patios or balconies, homeowners can enjoy additional space for relaxation or entertainment. Living rooms. In small houses, the living room serves as a multifunctional space that balances comfort and style. To maximize the limited area, open layouts are often employed, seamlessly connecting the living room to adjacent spaces like the dining area or kitchen. Clever furniture choices, such as modular sofas and compact coffee tables, can adapt to various activities, from cozy family gatherings to entertaining guests. Incorporating vertical storage solutions, like shelves or cabinets, helps keep the space organized while adding decorative elements. Natural light can be enhanced through large windows or light color schemes, making the living room feel more expansive and inviting. Dining rooms. Dining rooms in small houses often double as versatile spaces, accommodating family meals and social gatherings. To optimize space, many designs feature extendable tables that can be adjusted for different occasions, while stackable or folding chairs provide additional seating without cluttering the area. Integrating the dining area with the kitchen or living room enhances flow and interaction, making it easier to serve meals and entertain. Bathrooms. In small house designs, bathrooms are often compact yet highly functional. Efficient layouts prioritize essential features while maximizing storage options, such as built-in shelves, medicine cabinets, or vanities with drawers. Utilizing space-saving fixtures, like corner sinks or compact toilets, can help create a more open feel. Light colors and reflective surfaces, such as tiles or mirrors, enhance brightness and make the bathroom appear larger. Incorporating natural elements, like plants or stone accents, can create a calming atmosphere, turning the bathroom into a small oasis for relaxation. Kitchens in small houses focus on efficiency and organization, often featuring streamlined designs that maximize every inch of space. Open shelving, pull-out cabinets, and compact appliances are common solutions that allow for easy access and storage. An efficient layout, such as the galley or L-shaped kitchen, can facilitate smooth workflow while keeping the area visually accessible. Utilizing light colors and adequate lighting can help create a sense of openness. Additionally, incorporating a small island or breakfast bar can provide extra counter space and casual dining options, making the kitchen a central hub of the home.